Nagano ko sa'yo, take at iniwan tayo ng jowa natin.
Jowa.
Okay lang yan. Kung hindi sila work it sa atin, hayaan na natin.
Gusto pa ako kayakin yan. Baklang to.
Pero kahit binigay na natin yung todo sa kanila yung pagmamahal, pero pa hindi nila na-appreciate yun, it's okay. You are not the loser. They lose your beauty. They lose your patience. But,
Iyak na to.
but someday, you find the right person to love you.
F.O.P.
Ano?
P.O.M.
P. And then they appreciate you, and then they accept you who you are, and he loves you no matter what
Sakit na
happens.
ng puso ko, gago.
No matter what happens, someday you enjoy your life with your partner. So don't lose hope, don't lose joy, but available is equitable.
Rock and roll!
Rock and roll! Happy lang! Pero, napipil naman kita. I know,
What now?
it's so hurt, pero that is reality in life. So, hindi natin alam kung magtatagal na tayo sa relasyon. Pero, syempre, kailan natin harapin yung katotohanan and also your future. You have the best future to become somebody, anything else.
Tangina mo, lasing ka ba? Ang apa! Gusto ko na umiyak.
But don't cry.
Argentina.
Yes, don't cry because crying is not the end. Thank you so much, guys. See you again to my next video.